Okay guys, now let's go and load all the user related details and let's show it in the cell. And after that we will work with the action for our button. Okay, we're coming back to our Xcode. We want to load the pictures and the full name of the person, then we want to click on the button, we want to show the action sheet and then remove the person and click one more time to send again the request. Okay, so I'm going to the function which is a self-run index path. Here we are accessing the cell which is in main.storyboard. Okay, so by coming back to the code, first we need to get a first name because first name and last name is stored separately on the server. So let first name equals to friends, then open and close round bracket, then write index path row in the round bracket, exclamation mark, then again open and close round bracket, write here first name, and let's cast it as string. The same we're doing for the last name. Let last name equals to friends, open and close square brackets, write in the square brackets index path row, come out from the square brackets, put exclamation mark, and again open close square brackets to access the value under the key last name. Or what you can do is you can write here as string and double question marks, which means or string, the empty one. So try to convert it to the string. If you cannot, then show the empty string. Okay, here we are accessing first name and last name from the, let's say, mother array, which stores the information loaded from the server. Okay, very good. Then we will show this in the full name. Self.fullname.text equals to first name dot capitalized plus then space between first name and last name plus the last name dot capitalized. Very good. Here we'll write show loaded full name in the label. Okay, very good. So then we want to assign a tag for the remove button, which will be the index path row, so later on we can access it. Cell.remove button.index path equals dot tag, I'm sorry, cell.remove button.tag equals to index path row. Assign index of the button to its tag. So later on we can access the index via tag. Okay, very good. So now we need to load the pictures. We have done it hundreds of times. So I'm just gonna already take the code which we have already actually in the another self-aware index path function in another view controller. So that is the one where we'll load let ava string. That is the one. So I'll just simply load this block of code from the home view controller. That is the one. Let ava string equals my friend so and so. Copy this. Then I'm coming to my friend's view controller. Here in the self-aware index path, I'm getting inserted like that one. And definitely for you, I would advise you to type it with your hands so you can better memorize it. Okay, like that. Okay, so here the changes will be let ava string equals to our friends in the square brackets index path dot row. Then for when the if statement, if friends dot count is not equal to friends underscore avas, then we will run the URL session. And here we will assign the loaded image to the friends avas. Here one time, here second time. And for the caching, we will load the images from cell ava. Okay, we will do this. So here instead of button, we need to write here cell dot ava image view dot image equals image. And the same here down. Cell dot ava image view dot image equals to the image. And then we're gonna do the changes down there. Okay, here we'll write cell dot ava image view dot image equals to friends ava, then index path dot row, like that. So this is gonna cache the image which being already loaded, guys. So this is the entire code for our self-erode index path function. So this is how it works actually. So we will now build and run our project. We'll go to the friends view controller, and here we go. All the images are loaded. Okay, what we will do next, we'll go to main storyboard, and we will make the background color of the button to be a white color. Select your button here, scroll down there, background color will be, let's say, a default white, plain white color. Okay, so that is really amazing. Now we need to make an action connection from this remove button to our coding class. So let's call now assistant editor and go to the my friends VC, not cell, guys, my friends view controller. Scroll down to the bottom, hold Control, left mouse, leave, drag it here right after load more user friends function, and here we select the connection type action, and this will be remove button underscore clicked. That is the one. Very good. So then we're come back to our function, and very good. This is how it looks. Okay, in order to remove the selection, we need to turn it off in the main storyboard. Go to main storyboard, select your cell, go to the attributes, not content view, guys. Select the attributes inspector right here, selection here, make none. Okay. So that is amazing that we can load now all the user related information like his profile picture and the full name in our view controller. And as the next step, it will be to implement and deleting and adding user functions. So we're just testing out that everything is working fine. So this is how it looks like, which is really amazing. And now we'll go and implement action for the remove button. Let's go and do this.